Hello, financial warriors. Are you ready to transform your relationship with money and amplify your confidence in making sound financial decisions? In the next 6 minutes, immerse yourself in a journey of affirmations designed to elevate your financial mindset. Picture yourself confidently navigating the realm of finances, making informed decisions, and securing your financial well-being. Stay with us until the end for a wave of positivity and newfound financial assurance. Let's embark on this empowering journey together. Instructions *. 1. Find a quiet space where you can concentrate on these affirmations without distractions. 2. As you repeat each affirmation, visualize yourself confidently making wise financial choices. 3. Feel the surge of confidence and self-assurance growing within you with each affirmation. 4. Consider journaling any insights or reflections that arise during this transformative session. 5. If you resonate with our content, we invite you to like, subscribe, and follow Ripples of Affirmations on YouTube. Share this video with those seeking financial empowerment. Until our next session, take care. Affirmations *. I trust in my ability to make wise financial decisions. Every financial choice I make is rooted in confidence and clarity. I am a master of my finances, and I trust my intuition to guide me. I release all fear and doubt about my financial future. My financial decisions align with my goals and values. I attract abundance and make choices that enhance my financial well-being. I am in control of my finances, and I make choices that empower me. Confidence flows through me as I navigate the world of finance. I trust myself to make decisions that align with my financial goals. I am worthy of financial success, and I confidently make choices to manifest it. My financial intuition is strong, guiding me towards prosperity. I radiate confidence and assurance in every financial decision I make. I release all hesitation and embrace the power of my financial choices. My financial decisions are grounded in wisdom and discernment. I trust that my financial path is unfolding perfectly. I am financially empowered, and I make decisions that lead to wealth. I release any attachment to financial stress and welcome financial ease. I am a beacon of financial confidence, inspiring others with my choices. Every financial decision I make contributes to my financial growth. I am worthy of financial abundance, and I confidently claim it. I trust that I am divinely guided in my financial decisions. Confidence and clarity surround me as I make sound financial choices. My financial decisions reflect my commitment to a prosperous life. I attract financial opportunities that align with my vision. I trust myself to handle any financial challenge that comes my way. My financial decisions are rooted in a deep sense of self-assurance. I am deserving of financial success, and I confidently step into it. Conclusion *. If you felt the surge of confidence and financial empowerment, carry these affirmations with you. Like, subscribe, and follow Ripples of Affirmations on YouTube for more empowering content. Share this video with those seeking financial confidence. Until our next empowering session, take care.